Smart furniture. The smart cabinet is a brilliant idea for making the most of your kitchen space. This innovative design features a rising shelf that can be raised and lowered with the touch of a button, powered by an electric motor. The shelf is built into the kitchen cabinet, and the interior is even illuminated for added convenience. You can operate the smart cabinet either with a remote control or simply by touching the cabinet. Wall bed by Hasan Kök. This wall bed is an ingenious solution for anyone looking to maximize their living space. This versatile piece functions as a desk and bookcase when folded, making it a great option for small apartments and student rooms where space is often limited. But when you need a place for unexpected guests to sleep, simply fold down the bed, and voila! You have a comfortable bed in no time. The wall bed is a practical and stylish solution for those who value both form and function. So why wait? Invest in a wall bed today and enjoy the benefits of a smart space-saving solution. Paper bed. The Papiro paper bed is a piece of furniture made entirely of paper. It can be used not only as a bed but also as a bench and a sofa according to your needs. The paper bed is an innovative object and an essential and handy solution to relax, read a book, furnish a limited space, and unexpectedly welcome guests. Light and compact, it can support up to 100 kilograms to provide everyone with the experience of lying down on paper, without forsaking comfort. It also includes a mattress to place on the honeycomb structure that folds to fit the various solutions. Cuna Mágica. The crib space is a unique and practical solution for your baby's room. This two-level crib not only provides a comfortable place for your little one to sleep, but it also includes a large armchair for a parent to sit in while they keep watch. On the other side, there is a frame with shelves, a 3-drawer bureau, and a large side cabinet, providing ample storage space. When your baby has outgrown the crib, this furniture piece will seamlessly complement the rest of the bedroom. The changing mat and duvet set are sold separately, allowing you to choose the perfect accessories to suit your needs. Folding table by Easy Cozy. The foldable desk from Easy Cozy is a practical and stylish solution for your home or office. This folding table model has a natural color and minimal style that is suitable for a variety of decoration styles. Made from real wood, it is crafted from grade A rubber wood, which is polished and coated with a matte lacquer to ensure it is strong and durable. One of the best features of this desk is its foldable legs, making it easy to move or store. Sofa bed by Elle. This sofa bed is a versatile piece of furniture that is perfect for any living room, guest room, or youth room. At first glance, this chic couch may seem like a simple piece of furniture, but its uncomplicated folding mechanism transforms it into a comfortable guest bed in no time. Escritorio Patrick. Patrick is a versatile piece of furniture that adds style and functionality to any space. Its modular design allows for customization to fit your space and needs. With the ability to place it on the left or right and adjust its length, you can create the perfect fit for your room. Additionally, you can put Patrick together in an L shape, making it a great option for a desk or TV set. Table transformer. The transformer bench is the perfect solution for homeowners who are looking for versatile and stylish furniture. This piece of furniture can easily be transformed into a table with 2 benches in just a few seconds, making it an ideal option for hosting impromptu feasts. The combination of its beauty and practicality makes it an appreciated item for both private and country homes, where space can often be limited. Wardrobe with TV. The CIAK TV wardrobe with a sliding panel is characterized by the unique combination of both sliding and hinged doors. This feature gives life to a wardrobe with a functional and original design. The motorized panel slides vertically, creating a TV compartment that can be hidden or exposed on demand. This panel also creates a pleasant contrast of both color and material between it and the rest of the wardrobe. CIAK is perfect for furnishing a bedroom with a modern and trendy style and is also ideal for a teenager's bedroom. Smart Bed. This modern multifunctional leather bed is an awesome, magnificent piece for your living space. The bed is comfortable to offer you great comfort. This bed has been designed keeping in mind all the modern-day needs. The wooden structure provides strength and a long-running capability. Since you won't need to add larger furniture like extra cabinets and chairs, this unique design will help you save space and store kinds of things like books and cups and charge your phone. Developed to meet people's growing demands for better sleep quality and continuous improvement in their living standards. So, hurry up and make it yours. Jess Sofa Bed. This is a modern design and smart technology, from the sofa to the bed in just 2 movements. Thanks to the high-quality cold foam upholstery, our space-saving folding sofa offers a high level of sleeping comfort. The selectable cover made of woven fabric or microfiber is cuddly and easy to care for. You can choose the color of the body and cushions to match your interior. FlexRum. This flexible wall is a game changer for home design. With the simple push of a button, you can create a variety of functional spaces, from a home office to a sleeping area with a bed. The interior of the wall is equipped with bedside cabinets and ample storage, making it a smart solution for small homes or apartments. When you're done using the wall, simply push it back and you'll have a large social area in your living room once again. And you have the option to mount and connect your TV to the same wall. This solution has been widely popular among single households, parents who alternate living with and without children, and others who are looking for versatile living spaces. Not only can this solution transform a first bedroom into a second bedroom, but it also opens up new possibilities for apartment design and residential development. With the push-button flexible wall, you can create functional and practical spaces that are uniquely tailored to your needs.
Hey guys, this is Megan and Madison here with Great Idea. We hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let everyone know in the comments below what you found to be the most interesting and why. Also, if you haven't done so yet, make sure to hit the bell notification next to the subscribe button to stay up to date with all of the latest videos here. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.
Thank you.